trading. This ball is so hard. I don't like it at all. It doesn't even bounce. So I'm definitely going to trade this to someone. Maybe it's scam. Okay, trading rainbow, really squishy ball. Going once, going twice. Wait. I really want it. Please. I really do want it. Okay, calm down. What would you like to offer? Oopsie. Would you like to offer? Okay, I'll offer this pink donut squishy. This really cool squishy needle. This homemade Play-Doh squishy. This tangle, I think. It's a homemade tangly thing. This homemade simple dimple, because I love this, but I really want that ball. So that, I'll also give you my cornflower squishy. Okay, and I think that's all I want to give. Will that be enough? Maybe add one more thing. Okay, fine, I'll add one more thing. I like this pink donut squishy. Well, I like all the pink stuff. Yeah, you can have it. You got yourself a really good deal. Here you go. Hey, finally, I can... What? Hey, this is not squishy like you said. No, that's not fair. Can I have my things back? No trade backs. That scammer. How dare she? I hate it. Well, I love mine. That's so cool. I love this needle. This is a bit hard, but it is satisfying to play with. Cool. And this donut squishy is also really nice. And I love this needle. I mean, it's not a needle, but this stress ball. But this needle is amazing. I'm gonna put it in my squishy collections. And this simple dimple is probably my favorite because this is so cute. And it's so amazing to play with as well. So cool. And I really like this as well. It's a nice tangle and this squishy too. It's quite so rising. Love it. So cool. Okay. Oh my god, I finally got my mini poppet. It's so amazing and soft. I love it so much. Oh, is that rainbow poppet? I mean, not rainbow, but is that poppet for sale? Not really, because I literally just bought this. What, can I trade for it? Well, unless you have a bigger poppet, I don't really think that I'll let anyone trade for this, because this is my dream. But I've always wanted a bigger one. Don't say another word. Here you go, you can have this one. No, you're kidding. No, you can have it. I really want a small one. I've always wanted a small one. Oh my god, yes, take it. Oh my god, thank you so much for giving me this one. So amazing. I've always wanted a big one. Oh my god, thank you so much. No problem, I've really wanted this small one, and I love it so much. So cool. So amazing. That was a very fair trade, guys. Very fair. I think I'm going to trade this marble stress ball because it's like staining my hands and it's quite annoying now. I don't really like to play with it. So I'm going to trade it. Trading homemade marble stress ball, going once. Me, please. I really want that. I really want it. Alright, what do you want to offer for it? Okay, I'll give you this monkey needle and this ice cream squishy. Okay, now accept it. No, that's not enough. You have to add more. Oh, no. These are really reasonable stuff. Like, this is such a cool homemade monkey noodle, and this is such a soft, well, not that soft, but really cool ice cream squishy. Well, I'm the judge. Well, not really, but I'm the one who says okay or not. So add more. Fine, I'll add one more thing. No, you. This should do the trick. There you go. No, you still have to add something bigger. That's like not enough for this. No, you have to accept. These are so cool. Okay, if you're not going to give me anything else, I'm going to have to decline. Because I'd rather have this. Ugh, I never even wanted it. I think other people will like these better. Well, I guess this is not for trading then. I think I'm going to trade these two slimes because I don't really want them anymore. Trading two really cool slimes. Going once, going twice. I really want it. Please, I love slime. No. I want it. Please. I love slime. Oh, it looks like I have two offers. So let's see whose trade is the best. Whose offer is the best. And then whoever it is going to get these two slimes. Go on, everyone. Give me your offers. Okay, I'll go first. I'm going to trade. I'm going to give this Poppet. So amazing. It's Nido. It's not Nido. It's stressful. And really cool Nutella. It's kind of hard though. But you can add lotion in it. Okay, and I will add more. Give you this. Give you this cake. Oh yeah. This yellow stressful, flower stressful. Is that a good offer? Yes, it's very nice. But now let me see the other competitors' offer. Okay. Yep, here. Come here. Oh, my offer is much better than hers. I'm going to get this Galaxy Dia squishy. I was trying to fix this. This like clay button. It's really nice. It's crunchy stressful. It's also amazing. And oh yeah. This Galaxy Infinity Cube. Oh yeah. This Galaxy Squishy. This sponge. And I'll add this too. These pop tubes that I made out of straws. And they're really easy to put back in. Much better than her offer. Okay, so now I'm going to be seeing whose is the best. So this competitor has a really nice Poppet, flower stress ball, this stress ball, this paper squishy, the Nutella that is hard. It's really cute little squishy. So I like those. This one. So Galaxy, purple, and some purple. I think I see a theme here. You're giving me Galaxy and purple, and I'm not sure there's really a theme here. Which to choose? They're all amazing. I have a perfect idea. Okay, everyone, listen up. Since both of your offers are so amazing, you can have the white slime, and you can have the purple slime. Isn't that fair? OMG, OMG, it's so fair. Oh my god, yes, yes. Thank you. That's so fair. Oh my god, I finally got slime. Yeah. So really. So cool. Oh yes, that's totally fair. This white slime is so amazing. I love it. I like it. This was fair. Thank you. That was an amazing trade. Okay, so you guys can have your slimes. And then I'll have this and all of these. Thanks for trading! Wow, these guys sure did have amazing things. Cool, I like this one. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, and stay tuned for more fidget trading.